Hello again. Here I am with another tutorial video of InkyBay product customizer app. Today I'm going to show you how you can offer your customers custom canvas sizing on Shopify with dynamic price generation and bring your printing business to the next level. InkyBay product customizer brought this feature for gang sheet, banner and DTF printing businesses. With this feature, you don't need to create a new product for each size anymore. Instead, your customers can set their canvas size or choose from a list of sizes. So, without further ado, let's get started. Here, you need to follow two simple steps. First one is, you need to make your product customizable from your InkyBay admin panel. And the second step is, you need to create dynamic size. So from your InkyBay admin panel's product section, you need to click Make it customizable button for the product. Now here, from the product sizes, you don't need to create any sizes, so you need to set this as no size set. Then from the printing types, you can select your preferable printing types or you can make your own printing types. Then comes the color option. If you have different colors sheets, then you can set your product color set from here. I'm just setting this as no color set because my product doesn't have any colors. Now you need to upload your product image from this advanced settings option. You can upload any image here because ultimately the system will generate an image based on the size ratios on the design lab. So here you can upload any product image. I would recommend to upload the product image that you have used in your Shopify backend to create this product. In this way, on the product page, the image will be same. So here I'm uploading the image. The product creation is complete. Now, if you want to show a mark area on your product so that customers can see the safe zone of adding designs, then follow the next step. Otherwise, you can skip this part. From the print area section, you can set your print area. Then you can set your mark area from here too. As you can see, I am setting the mark area by leaving some spaces from all the sides, and considering this ratio, the system will generate a mark area on the product image in the design lab. Then you need to save it. After that, this pop-up will show. You need to click on activate now. Now you have made your customizable product. Now for the second step, we will create the preset sizes. So first you need to go to product option. Then you need to create a new product option. Now from here, you have to assign this product option to your product. You can do this by using type, vendor, tag and handle. For this video, I'm only using handle. Then you need to go to your product page. Then you have to copy everything after product slash. Then you need to paste it here. After that, you need to select your option type. You need to select this custom size, free size option, and then you need to click this button plus new option button. Now from here you have to enable this for the design lab. Now from here you can choose the size display unit. You can choose inch, centimeter and feet. For this video I'm only selecting inch. You can ignore this portion as this is for the custom size input, which is your customer can choose their preferable sizes from the product page. You can ignore this one as you will be setting the preset sizes and your customers will choose from those size sets. So from here, first you need to choose the size display. You can choose radio, swatch or select. For this video I'm choosing the select option, which is the customers can choose the preset sizes from a drop down. Now from here you can set the preset sizes. You need to give a title of your preset sizes. Then you need to insert the values in the width and height section too. Also, you can add the extra prices from here. You can also choose which field to show by default on the product page. Now, if you want to allow your customers to create their own sizes, then you have to enable this option, which is enable custom. If you select this option, then from the product page, either your customers can choose from the preset sizes or they will see another option which is custom size. If they click on it, they can create their own custom size. Now, if you disable this option, then from the product page, your customers can only select from the preset sizes that you have created. Now after that, if you save it, the setup is done. Now if you go to the product page and reload this page, you will see this field where the customers can choose their sizes. And also you can see that price is changing according to the size ratio. Now if you insert the quantity and click customize it button, you will see your design lab will open and product image will be generated with the size ratio that you have selected from the product page. Now your customers can customize this product. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you.